Hello friends, Kia has unveiled the all-new EV3 electric SUV as the brand's fourth EV following the EV9, EV6 and the EV5. It is based on the same eGMP modular platform. Kia EV3 technical specifications. Based on the eGMP platform, the Kia EV3 gets two battery pack options. The standard model gets 58.3 kWh battery pack, while the long-range variant gets 81.4 kWh battery pack. Both models utilize a front axle mounted electric motor that produces 201 horsepower and 283 Nm of torque, enabling a claimed 0 to 100 km sprint time of 7.5 seconds. The EV3's maximum speed is 170 km per hour. Kia has revealed the long-range variant will have up to 600 km of range on the WLTP cycle. The batteries will be sourced from LG Chem, and with a 400-volt architecture, 10 to 80% charge take 31 minutes only. Kia EV3 exterior design. In terms of dimensions, Kia EV3 measure 4.3 meter long, 1.85 meter wide, 1.56 meter in height, and a wheelbase of 2.68 meter, roughly the size of Hyundai Creta. The front end is characterized by Kia's signature star map LED lighting pattern that frame the tiger nose fascia with horizontal and vertical LED lighting elements. On this EV, it is essentially just an expensive smooth panel making up the bumper. The bonnet gets a nicely swapping effect. There is plenty of chunky cladding on the bumper, leading it a muscular look. In profile, but standouts are the flared wheel arches with thick black plastic cladding and the trapezoidal creases over the front and rear fender. The glass house is large, there are flush door handles, and what is particularly interesting is how the glass house is wraps around the C-pillar. The vertical tail lamps on the hatchback styling tailgates also appear as extension of the same. The rear end is very similar to Kia EV9 with a dual-tone bumper and smooth surfacing for the tailgate. The EV3 also gets GT line variants that come with sportier bumper. Kia EV3 interior features. The basic layout of the dashboard is very similar to EV9. There are twin 12.3 inches floating touchscreen infotainment display followed by a band of haptic button that nicely concealed AC vent on the dashboard. There is also button for navigation and media control, including some on two-spoke steering wheels. In fact, the 30-inch widescreen setup including 5-inch screen for climate control and a software are direct lift from the EV9. EV3 floor is completely flat, allowing for a lot of space. There is a large floating central console that serves as a storage tray with cup holders. The front central armrest houses a rectangular table, and the driver's seat features a relaxation mode that allows the passenger to stretch out completely to enjoy their favorite streaming platform or video games on the infotainment unit while car is charging. As far as features, the Kia EV3 gets a 12 inches head-up display, configurable ambient lighting, digital display, a Harman Kardon sound system, and a ADAS suite. The EV3 is also first Kia EV to get personalized AI assistant. Kia EV3 launch and pricing details. The Kia EV3 will be first go on sale in South Korea in June this year. The EV3 has a target price of USD 35,000 to 50,000.